Students show their number fluency in this activity. They use the problem cards that have a few numbers with rest of them blanks. So it's a set of numbers that students are expected to show in these in the task card. There is a blank, so this is a blank 11, 2 blanks, and then 14. This is what is given in this problem. So the number right before 11 is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. This is easy because we already have the first number, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, and 36. Here 4 blanks and 94 is given after 4 blanks. So 1, 2, 3, 4 blanks and 94, 95. So this is easy because it's 96. This, if I have a problem in finding out what number is right before 94, I'll use my reference sheet, and 94, the number right before 94 is 93, 92, 91. So 93, 92, 91, and 90. 3 blanks, 25, 26, 27, 28, 24, 23, 22. 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, and 105. Two blanks, and then 71 and 72. This is 70 and 69, 73, 74, 75. One blank, 40. So if I don't know the number right before 40, it's 31, 32, 33, 34, 38, 39, 40. Right before 40 is 39, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, and 45. Directions help students work on this activity independently. Teacher exemplar sets expectations, and answers provide immediate feedback.